Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Allove Hair. Shout out to you, Allove, for sending me this unit. The unit I will be reviewing is a 4x4 lace closure unit. This unit is 24 inches long and is 150% density, and as you guys can see, it is a body wave texture. Now if you're interested in any more detailed specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this a wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Allove Hair. Shout out to you, Allove, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am wearing is their Body Wave 4x4 lace closure wig. It says 10A grade virgin Remy human hair. hair wigs, and they do have it available in 10 to 30 inches. I think they said that they sent me 24 inches, if I'm not mistaken. And I would say if it is 24 inches, then it's 24 inches stretched out, not, you know, in its natural state. So it says the product features item BODYWAVE 4x4 lace wig 10A grade virgin Remy human hair wigs. Hair material 100% virgin Remy human hair. Hair color natural black. Density 150. Hair length 10 to 26 inches are available, but it looks like they have 30 as well. Yeah, they have 28 and 30 as well that I see up there. It says texture BODYWAVE hair, natural hairline, comb, soft comb, easy, can be restyled, colored as well. 4x4 inch Swiss lace, medium brown color. And yeah, those are basically all the details and specs. And then it goes on to tell you about their shipping policies, as well as like how to measure a wig and all that stuff, and how to maintain one. So those are the details and specs that I have on here. Now, as I stated, I think they said that they sent me 24 inches. Yeah, 24 inches, but in my opinion, it's definitely 24 inches stretched out. You know what I mean? It's not in its natural state, in my opinion. It is a 4x4 closure unit, meaning you have like from here to here, literally, where you can, you know, style it differently, part it wherever. You can also wear it in a half up, half down style, because you do have that room. You can wear it, I am currently wearing it as the right side part, but you can wear it as the left side part, and you can wear it in the middle if you want to, because it is a 4x4 closure, so you can part it elsewhere. As far as the cap construction, because I think this unit only comes in an average cap size, because I don't see anywhere else where you can get it in another cap size. So I'm guessing you can only get it in an average cap size. That's that. I do feel like it's pretty big head friendly. I do have my straps adjusted and it fits me fine, and yeah, so I do feel like it is big head friendly. As far as shedding and tangling, I have not noticed either with this unit. Now you may see some stray hair somewhere because I have been cutting in it, child, okay, but I have not noticed any shedding or tangling with this unit whatsoever. And yeah, that is basically it as far as the details and specs on this wig. Now, if you are interested in a lint check and a full 360, as well as what I think about this wig, then please continue. Okay, so in my opinion, this is a really, really cute, easy go-to type of unit. You know, it's like one of those good everyday type of wigs, because it is a closure wig. You don't necessarily have to lay it down unless you want to. I did go ahead and lay it down for this video, but in general, I probably will not. Like when I wear it, I'll probably just throw it on and go. And that is like one of my favorite things about a lot of closure wigs, especially if they fit pretty good. I love that, child, because your girl is lazy, honey. Okay, I am just lazy, so that is why closure wigs are my thing. Now, the one thing that I will say about this unit is because it's only 150% density, it's not a very thick unit. Like, this is all of the hair. So if you do like a more like a thick wig, then she's not gonna be your cup of tea, honey. Okay, and my little curls just like are not wanting to stay. Okay, I did some loose curls in it, but they're not wanting to stay here with me. Now, I did initially start filming this video yesterday, and this is another day, so they probably do look a lot more loose than they did yesterday, but I did try to throw in a few more. But like I said, I did actually start recording this video yesterday, and then I had stuff to do, so I decided I would finish it, you know, today. Shoot. Okay. But yeah, I really like it. I think it is a really cute, you know, just easy sort of go-to type of everyday unit. But if you are looking for something more on the thick side, this is not your girl, because she is definitely 150% density. You know how some wigs you can get, they say 150%, but they look more like 180. She is a real 150% girl. Okay, so just keep that in mind. But I really do like it. I think it's a great everyday wig. Juicy definitely approved. Y'all know how he is, child. He has that old soul and stuff. But yeah, I do think it's a cute wig. And yeah, that's basically it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a lint check, and we can wrap this thing all the way. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Yeah, look at this. You can just see my whole strap in my shoulder. Okay, so y'all, that is basically it. Like, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. If you are interested in it, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, we're done. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Health Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough.